How's it going, everyone? This is another FreeCAD tutorial. In today's video, we'll show you on how you can add texture. So first things first, let's click on empty file. Now, before we proceed, you want to make sure that you have installed this specific add-on. That's going to be the arch texture. Just search texture on the add-on manager, and then you want to get the arch textures right here. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to head over to port, and then I'm going to add a cube onto my plane right here. Right after, you then want to select the cube, right click on the property section or the properties and click add property. From here, you want to make sure that the link is selected, the property link. So basically, it's going to be this one. You could just look for it. It's going to be alphabetical, so it's really easy to find. So in my case, it's going to be this one, which is to add property link. The group is going to be base, and in my case, I'm going to name this material. And before we proceed, you want to make sure that this is capitalized, because if not, it's not going to work. So I'm just going to uncheck the prefix group name, click OK, and then let's head over to the BIM section. Now inside this page, you want to click on the material option, and then it's going to be material, as you can see right here. For the preset, let's choose something like ABS generic, and then you can customize this to whatever you want to. But in my case, I'm just going to mostly leave it at default. So let's click OK. Let's head over to the installed add-on, which is going to be Arch Texture. Click the Add Config, and then you want to double click on the config texture right here. Click Add Material, and then you want to select the material that we have created. And of course, you can now select your texture by clicking on the three dots. In my case, I'm going to use this generic material right here, or a brick image. Click Add Material, click OK, and then basically inside this page, you just want to make sure that the visibility is turned on. But I think since my photo or my texture isn't supported, it will not show up right here. But that's basically how you do it. You just want to make sure that the visibility here is enabled or the eyeball is unchecked. You will also go ahead and see the visibility. Just make sure that it is true. And that's basically it, which is going to be this one. Just select true and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching.